What's up, my ponios? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to share with you guys this content here, guys. We're going to be going over some of the OtterBox cases that are available exclusively on the Apple website. Not a sponsored video. No one passed any money here. I did purchase this with my own money when I purchased my iPhone 15 Pro Max. With that said, I've been really dissatisfied with a lot of the OtterBox cases that are not the Defender series or the Symmetry series. We're going to test out the Lumen and some of the other ones that you guys can check out. With that said here, down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and accessories here that I go over here to be able to show off this case. This is the Lumen series with MagSafe here from the folks at OtterBox. I've been pleasantly surprised at some of the phone cases that they've come out with this year. Last year, a lot of it was just hot garbage. They really improved on it here, and I wanted to show you this hardened TPU material that is a crystal clear case. This is from the Lumen series here, showing you that it's pretty high quality. This is very similar to the clear case that Apple came out with. The thing is they sell this on their website, on Apple, the Apple Store, and I couldn't get this necessarily on OtterBox at the time of this video. With that said, you have silicone that's really grippy around the edges, and then you got this hardened polycarbonate material that is somewhat bendy. You have the black encased here of the MagSafe. You got the nice black hint here of the punch out for the camera bump. You've got the I/O punch outs that are nice and black. You've got buttons here that are, again, rubberized with the silicone rubber. And then you've got the action button as well as the power. So, I mean, it's not bad. I like it. However, the price, I think it's super steep. If you compare this to some of the other ones here from the folks at like VicMars or from the folks at Taurus, I think it's very comparable, a much cheaper price. It looks like here the MagSafe isn't completely aligned here with the black coloring, which is kind of interesting. But I really like the chamfered edges here that kind of blend seamlessly into the black from the clear. With that said, we're going to go and place on my black titanium here. We're going to make sure and provide optimum protection here because, well, these are prone to break on the backside, so having something like this does provide you drop protection, which is really nice. As you come up close here, it's very, very clear. It's supposed to be made out of that anti-yellowing, that blue kind of textured clear color here, which is nice. Punch outs, buttons are clicky. Action button's actually clicky, which is nice. And I think this is an all-around decent phone case. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. Throwing on a MagSafe case here, it looks like it charges immediately. As you can see, this is the MagSafe power bank from Apple. If you wanted to throw on something from like Binks, it's 5,000 milliamps as opposed to like the 2700 or the 3700 here. This provides you a little bit less wattage, so it's a little bit slower. It's like 5 watts. Nonetheless, it still allows you that charge. If you wanted to opt into something that was a little more content creation-y, you can throw on something like this. This is from the folks at ShiftCam. This is their Snap Grip. I really like it. MagSafe compatible. Just throw it right on there. You can utilize here a couple of these accessories for lights, for tripod, for selfie, and then it's even got a pass-through 5,000 milliamp at 5 watts, as well as a shutter button, which is really cool. This is my go-to. And it's not too bad. I mean, it does move a little bit because of the unit from Snap Grip's a little bit heavy here, but otherwise it's kind of staying on. Pretty nice. And then lastly here, you can throw something on a little more technical if you wanted. You can utilize the USB Type-C to directly connect in a receiver and transmitter for your, microphone if you wanted. So you can lav up, which is nice. This connects seamlessly and wirelessly, which is great. You can monitor your mic on your phone, which is really cool. You can go ahead here and connect it, and you've got an awesome experience for content creation. With that said, my ponios, I think this is an awesome case here to be able to level up. I really like how it's got MagSafe compatibility. It's also nice in the hand, nice and grippy here. I would have liked maybe having a little spot for a wrist strap, and also after some time here, it did get scratched, which is kind of weird. Not sure why that was the case, but I'm actually pleasantly surprised. I don't think it's worth the $40 ticket here. Prices will vary depending on the time of this video. Nonetheless, if this is something you're interested in, check it out. This is Andy with Tech Influence. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one.